Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Friday, November the 22nd. Okay, let's take a look at our activity. We had a trade on CRM. Let's take a look, analyze trade, and it got filled as you can see here, and it was a $230 investment for $270 potential profit. I'm going to simply add a slice here to see where we are, and the stock hardly moved. All right. This is expiration Friday, so there are going to be a few changes. FOSL. Okay, this is a November expiration 10 call, so that means 1074, so we are going to have them have 300 shares of fossil at $10, and right now the stock is trading at 1074. You can see that. No, sorry, is 718 right here. Okay, so obviously this is gonna expire worthless, so we didn't need to discuss it no further. Okay, that's a loser, and there's nothing I can do about it. Just take the loss. Then there is Cree. Let's take a look. Cree. Bouncing back from a pullback, and I think this is a diagonal. Very good. Okay, so November expiring, 49 expiring, that's going to expire worthless. So that means we end up with the 47 call with less than a week to expiration. Okay, in this case I'm just going to let it run. If it continues to go higher the way it did and goes above 47, I still have the chance to sell a call against it and perhaps just close it. We'll see. FSLR, okay, this is the one that is, let's see, November 22nd at $58. That's going to expire worthless. So we end up with 300 November at 29 calls at 56 strike price. It's pretty much the same as Cree. We just let it be. It's a diagonal, therefore the part that expires is the short portion, and we end up with 300 calls. And if the stock continues to go higher the way it did today, we have the potential to make money on it. So I just let it be. And then there is MPC. Okay, in this one, let's see what the price is on the stock. MPC 62.36. Okay, so both the call 60 call and the 62 call are going to be exercised, and they cancel each other, so I need to do nothing about it. Okay, so there's nothing else to do. Those are the 4 stocks that have expirations today, and so I'm gonna let them. I don't need to do any changes. Don't think I'm gonna be assigned anything, but I would always check it Friday, Sunday night, or Monday morning before the market opens, and in case I get assigned. If that happens, just go to the monitor tab, account statement, and over here, margin requirement. If you get assigned this short stock or stock itself, it will show up here, and if it is a lot of money in it, far from your account, then you would know by just seeing what the margin requirement would be. Okay, now after that we have 2 trades that I'm proposing: OXY and FANG. Let me just show you that. Just writing it down, sorry. Analyze Oxy. There it is. Okay, so this trade is a put short vertical spread, and I'm investing $248 to make $252 is less than 1% of my account. If I do 3, that would be 372 versus 378. It's a little more than I want to trade. Let's keep it for now to 1% per trade. And let's then send that trade. And FANG, F-A-N-G, F-A-N-G. And this is a diagonal, as you can see. And I'm investing 309 to make a maximum of 293. Again, diagonals are good in the sense that you can, the short you can roll over. And if the stock goes down, the short may expire worthless, and then you still have the long as a potential winner. So I'm gonna, that's why I like diagonals. But there are other reasons that will be discussed in the course. Okay, that's $310. And confirm and send. Okay, now I'd like to ask you, you have seen several diagonals versus some verticals, quite a few. What is your opinion? Is this something that you find interesting? Something that you think it could be beneficial as opposed to a vertical? I'd like to hear your opinion. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining me for this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.